Matthias Ezeaku was claiming that he wants to save his Igbo brothers. Let him go and save his members. Because I believe in Jesus Christ. I don't want to believe in Omenala Igbo. Let him believe there. Me, I believe in Jesus Christ with my family. So if you believe in Jesus Christ, stop patronizing Matthias Ezeaku.
Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị abatakwa ihe anyị nọkịta Operation Boycott Matthias. Anaghị nwoke a na-ebe ekwu n'okwu sị na ebe Matthias na-akpọ ndị Christians na-akpọli Christians na-asị na onweghị ndị pastọ ndị chọọchị megbu na Christians mee nka Jizọs mee nka bikonu. As long as na-ebu Christian niile eje ụka kwete na Jesus Christ, etozala Matthias ego. Hapụ na ka ya na ndị bịa ndị ọbụla na-eme ihe. Ị gaghị si reason ya bụ ihe na-akpọli ndị na-enye gị ego ị na-enye iji enyere mmadụ aka. Ị na-akpọli ihe ha na-efe. Ihe ha na-abịa na-analụ onye na-efe alụsị ego na-akpali ndị na-efe alụsị. It's not possible. It's a law of honor. You cannot receive what you don't honor from. Biko na Igbo ndị ọma ji eme na video Operation Boycott Matthias. Boycott Igbo love themselves. Ihe ọbụla Matthias, ozu ọbụla Matthias ma ndị influencers niile ahụ ji ayọ ego ma those radio station niile si enyezina ya si gba ya nkịtị for 1 year. Ka afụgoro ka isi n'anya unu egozina ya ma ana si egozina na video akwụ n'ofu.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. Samuel Bolukwe. I'm a Christian and I want to talk to my fellow Christians. I want to talk about Matthias Ezeaku and his followers. The way Matthias Ezeaku is insulting Christians in the world, especially in Igbo side, it is very, very bad and uncalled for. I am calling my fellow Christians, please stop patronizing Matthias Ezeaku. Matthias Ezeaku is not the only person that is selling land. We have many people that is selling land. Matthias Ezeaku is not only person that is running charity organization. We have more genuine people than him. Somebody like Okpu want to help somebody. Okpu will paste the account number of the person, but Matthias Ezeaku will paste his own foundation account number. That I know that he doesn't give us account after the donation of that money. So I'm calling upon every Christians, stop patronizing Matthias Ezeaku, both in his foundation and in selling all this land that he's talking about. Let Matthias Ezeaku go and face his member. Let Matthias Ezeaku members patronize him. Share this message, is very important. It's not a joke. This is the way Boko Haram starts. We think that is play. It now get viral, rampant everywhere. This is the way herdsmen starts. Before you know it starts getting out of hand. This is the way unknown government starts. Before you know it starts getting out of hand. We cannot be able to control it. Now Matthias Ezeaku have started, and people are laughing, thinking that it's a play. Before you know it, it will now start getting out of hand. Let's stop it now before it get out of hand, by stop patronizing Matthias Ezeaku in all his activities. As long as you are a Christian, let him go and face his members. Please make sure you share this message. Matthias Ezeaku was claiming that he wants to save his Igbo brothers. Let him go and save his members. Because I believe in Jesus Christ. I don't want to believe in Omenala Igbo. Let him believe there. Me, I believe in Jesus Christ with my family. So if you believe in Jesus Christ, stop patronizing Matthias Ezeaku. Yes, that you have Christ does not mean that you tolerate every nonsense that comes to your ways. Make sure you share this message. It's very important. Don't play with it. I want to make everybody share this message. If you are a Christian, it's very much important. Don't play with it. I am not joking. I am not here for play.
Ndị ọma njem na-eji m n'aka na channel video biko nyere na ya aka gbasa na video, nyere na ya aka gbasa ozi a, gbaa notification ka unu na-enweta notification mgbe ọbụla anyị bụ video ọfụ wee bata. Mana ọ bụla o si na dị biko, this is Operation Boycott Matthias Ezeaku. Ka ọ dịnụ mgbe ọzọ.